La cuarentena, el cuerpo lo sabe y la calle está llena.
Se acabó la cuarentena, el cuerpo.
Dreams, baby, get you and me. It's time to boss up. Fix your credit, girl, get at it, get your bag up. Hit that gym and get back fine. Go get that degree, go girl, focus on me. Unlock, put marathon, double put 'em out. Don't you worry about him, I gon' work it out. Only you got me feeling like this. Oh, why? Love it while grabbing the rhythm, your hips. That's right.
Wait, you thought this was gonna be a slow-mo? Never judge a book by its cover. Psych!
Could you be the one to call when I lose control?
I need your love. I need your love.
Bad bitch, she do what I say so. Big 40s in a big ass Draco. On base, we can ask how my day go. Put up a phone on the blueberry Franco.
From the top, make it drop, that's some wet.
Stop. Let me pray for you. Heavenly Father.
Ikaw ang binibining na ninanais ko. Binibining marikit na dalangin ko. Ikaw ang nagbigay ng kulay sa aking mundo. Sana ay ipong habang buhay na ito.
The 4 types of bitch face: resting, side eye, the eye roll, and the up and down.
Y tampoco soy perfecto, solo sé que yo te quiero así. Y el corazón no tiene cara. Y te prometo que lo nuestro nunca. Pilipina na singkit, marikit, matalinong mabait at makulit. Lakas ng iyong dating, lahat na papailing. Mga matang singkit na ang lakas pa makaakit. Ang ganda-ganda mo, walang maka.
Down south, hood baby. Make all the girls go crazy.
Go stupid. You smart like an A+ student.
Tila ko'y nakalutang nasa langit, ngunit nalulunod sa iyong mga ngiti. At kung hanggang dito lang tayo, hindi pababayaan ang daang dinadadating ka. Kung umabot tayo hanggang dulo, at ikaw nang mahigpit, aabutin natin ang mga kaya. Alingin ng mga mata na nakikita ko sa iyong mga mata. Alingin ng iyong mga mata, hinahanap ko sa mga tala. Maaaring kinabukasan ay mag-iba ng ihip ng iyong mingan. And keep it squeaky clean, yeah. I got plans for me and you. It ain't my time, baby girl. We can pretend.
Hell yeah, I'm the motherfucking princess. I can tell you like me too, and you know I'm right. She's like, so whatever, you can do so much better.
Calling all Louis Vuitton lovers, your oldest Louis Vuitton, your newest, your favorite Louis Vuitton, your smallest Louis Vuitton, and your biggest.
Ate, pwede ko bilhin ng Coke? Miss mo? Opo, miss na miss ko.